In this video, I'm going to show you how to add people to ShareFile folder. Now to do this, first you want to find the folder you want to add people to. So from your dashboard, click on Folders here on the left, and then click on Personal or Shared folder. So it's up to you. I'm going to go to Personal right now, and then you want to check mark the folder you want to add people to. And just like this, you can go to More over here, and you want to click on Add people to folder. Now when you do this, it's going to look like this. It says Add people to folder, and you simply want to go and of course type in the user. So for example, if I go and look for instant how-to, if I had that person, there we go, I can just click on it and it's going to add it to the folder. Now it didn't because that's myself, but if of course it would be a different person, I'd be able to add them in like that via email or their name. You could also go and create a new user if you don't have them, and that's also going to work. Now here you can set folder permissions so we can allow them to view, download, upload, delete, or admin permissions as well. And then from here you have folder alerts. You could also enable these, and you could also enable notifications if you wanna. When you're done, click on the add button and you are good to go. That's the first way to do it. But of course, if you want to add them to shared folders over here, that's going to be a bit simpler. So you can just go to shared folders and then click on the folder you want to add people to. Click on people up top over here, and then from here you'll be able to basically kind of add people by clicking on add people to folder, and it's going to be the same process from here as well. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.